What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, well, right now, you know, I kind of look funny. What's new? But anyways, no, I have my base on, my primer, my foundation, and my concealer, my eyebrows done. But I wanted to show you a quick eyeshadow tutorial, and I am using Ring the Alarm and Armed and Gorgeous in the Jaclyn Hill palettes. Yeah. Eyeshadow, the biggest thing is blend, blend, blend. I think anything looks super nice in the end as long as you blend, 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 and maybe put on some lashes or something, you know. Spice it up a little bit. But anyways, let's jump into it. So, for my base, I'm going to use Rush. And I'm going to take my M441, which brush is kind of dark, but let's see. That's not bad. That's a good color. Rush. And you always want to start off with less, because you can always add more. But you can't really erase unless you erase the whole face. But I'm putting that all over. Brush is like poking me, but then I like to take my M504 and I like to buff it out just to make sure it's blended. This really, I think, always helps me blend, blend, blend. But yeah, that's the base. And then in my crease, I'm gonna take Alert and just put it in there, the crease. Grab a little more. It's just darkening up. You want switch my brush for a minute. I go back in with my big fluffy brush. Oh, Wisp Out dropped it with Rush and kind of go back and blend all that out. Just so it's nice and blended. You can kind of see it on there. Okay. Next, I'm going to take Agent. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the crease because with my JH34, because that kind of changes it, but an Agent's from the other palette. I like those colors. It's like an orangey, brownish, warm colored. And then I think like a cut crease kinda, you know. But I might want to use Boom. Boom is really pretty. Boom's the darker one. Lolly's the other one. I was just trying to see what that color looks like. And then Classified is a darker brown. I want to use Boom, and I'm going to use Boom, like I said, like a cut crease. So I'm going to take my Equal Tools brush, same as what I did yesterday, but I'm going to do like all right here. See, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, that's pretty, y'all. Yeah, that's pretty. See it shimmering? Okay. Now, you want to go back in with the JH32 or whatever one kind of has like the weird rounded, like thinner on top, wider on the bottom, so you can go in the crease. But I'm going to go back in with Alert and just in the crease. And now, I don't know, like with the eyeshadow like that, if you get the, I'm gonna put it in a corner though. I don't know. There's no rules to makeup. You do what you want and you just do it. So, I don't know. Kind of want like a shimmery inner corner. But this ain't doing. I just put a little bit of gold in there. There you go, now you can see it. A little bit of gold. Okay. Okay, so now at the bottom lash you want to do pretty much all the colors you did on top except for like really the shimmer. I mean you can, but you know it's what you prefer. So I'm going to take Rush and go down here. And you want to make sure you like connect it. Alert. Yeah, you can see that. And then Agent. I'm going to go on the bottom with Agent a little bit. Sorry, I'm like down and nobody could probably see me for who knows how long, y'all. Sorry. And you don't want to go all the way in the inner corner because we already put that inner corner color in. So yeah, it's all around and kind of like a smoky eye. And then if you want to clean up your eye, I always do it after. I don't usually do it before because when I do it, even before, a lot of times I still have to go in and fix everything. So you just take your powder. This is the Tarte powder. And I kind of just clean. But you don't want to clean too much, you know. But that's your preference. I don't know. I do it both ways. Either way works because either way it cleans it all up. You get all that powder off. I look pale enough right now. I did put powder on my T-zone area before I got on camera. But anyways, okay. So now I'm going to put on lashes and mascara real quick and I will show you what the look looks like. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished eye with lashes and mascara. These lashes are really big and fluffy. Like, I'm not used to these, but these are called the Blowout Lash by Kiss. They're like super big. I think they said stacked. I was trying to use the other pair and they were like both lefts or something. I don't know. Maybe I accidentally cut the wrong side. It's still there. The rest of my face real quick on camera just to show you guys. But start with my bronzer. My Hulu bronzer. And we're gonna carve out the cheekbones real quick. Need some color back on this face because I got quite a bit of powder on, but my face gets really oily. It really does. And it keeps sitting on my feet. I shouldn't be doing that because then you can't even see. But okay, so now we're going to blend this in. Okay. Now, okay, so for the blush, I changed my mind. I'm jumping into the Becca and Jaclyn Hill. It's armetto, which is like a bronzer blush, pretty much, to warm up this look because my eyes. There we go. Just gonna. That's better. That's better. Matches a little more. Anyways, my camera's about to die. We gotta hurry, hurry, hurry. So I'm about to take. I wanted to use Stunner today. Tarte Stunner highlight, very pretty. I love it, love it, love it, love it, and it's actually broke. Oh my god! I did not just do that. I need a new one, and I want it to go on sale. But anyways, here we go. Yes, pretty, pretty. I love it. Look at that. Anyways, that actually, other than spray my face, I'm gonna try to finish what's left in my little bottle because I got my full size now. Here I go, covering my face. Yeah, it's like gone. And then we dry it. And for lips, like I said yesterday, I don't really put anything on my lips. Plus, I'm about to go eat some and drink some coffee because I need to wake myself up. I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. If that, like for real. But this is the finished look. The eyes are pretty actually cute. Fallish color, but please like and subscribe, you know, please. Let me know what you want to see next. I can do anything, but I think I want to do a challenge video this weekend. We should have time. I'm gonna do a good one for y'all. But anyways, for real, please like and subscribe to my channel. You know you want to, and click the notification. You want to know when I post a video. Yeah, like and subscribe. I've already said it a couple times, but I mean it. Like and subscribe. Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.